this is Ashley from Seeds of Hope, and we are currently in my garden. We're on the tail end of fall winter, so we're kind of getting the last harvest of all of our cold season crops. I want to show you two different ways that you can harvest your lettuce. I have my little salad spinner. I just like to harvest it right in my salad spinner. I can rinse it. You can keep a little water in the bottom and keep it in the refrigerator and it'll stay nice and crisp. And I have some sharp shears. You can also use some scissors, whatever you need, or you could, one method you just need to use your hands. So the first method that I like to use, because you can keep the lettuce going for longer during the season, is just taking off leaves. So we're not taking the whole head of lettuce off, just the leaves. And what I like to do, you can see that these are kind of growing into each other. So you want to work from the outside. So you take the leaves that are on the farthest outside, you just kind of work your way to the very base and pull down and kind of wiggle, and it comes off. You kind of just pinch, pull, and then you work your way around the head of lettuce, working from the outside, pinching and pulling down, and there's going to be a lot of debris. You can rinse all of that off. So now you see it's a little bit smaller, but it'll continue growing from the center of the lettuce plant, and then it'll start to look like these other heads of lettuce again. Another way to harvest your lettuce, if you have a lot of lettuce or you want to switch out the variety sooner, or if it's starting to flower, which means it's starting to create a flower head instead of leaves, you can take your shears, cut it at the base, and now you have a nice little head of lettuce. You can get rid of all the bottom bits, but there you go. So, depending on what your preference is, this little stump that's left over could produce smaller little leaves, but they're not going to be as full or as good as these mature leaves. So I'm going to keep the rest of this lettuce in here, pick around the outside, leaf by leaf. And then by the end of this season, when I'm ready to take everything out and replant, I'll cut the heads off completely and then still have some lettuce for the end of the season. So yeah, that's just one of the tasks that I have in my garden. And then soon we'll be replanting for summer and spring. Hope to see you soon, and thanks for stopping by.